Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the AKG N60 NC for noise cancelling headphones. These are the ones that came free with the Note 9. They finally arrived to me. I did do my Note 9 pre-order through Best Buy, so I had to get these after the fact. They finally came in. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox them and show you guys what you get in the box. These do retail for $300 on Samsung's website if you do choose to order them separately. They're not doing any more free ones for the Note 9 if you order one or anything like that, so if you want to pick these up you do have to buy them now. Get the tape off. And pull them out. Let's see, so these are black, and like I said, they are noise canceling, they are wireless. They come in a pretty nice box with a pretty nice padded carrying case. So there's the headphones are in there. I'm going to put these aside and we'll get to the rest of the box real quick. Little piece of plastic. Here you have your manual. Let's see. Yeah. Nothing in there but papers and a little thing telling you what you get in the box. And then right here you have an airline adapter. A lot of people say this is a splitter so you can plug in two headphones. Obviously it's not. It's an airline adapter that goes into the old style connectors on the seats and you can plug your headphones into it. And here we get the headphones themselves. They do fold up quite nicely. They do feel pretty, they're flexible but they feel sturdy. They don't feel cheap by any means. They do feel pretty nice, pretty lightweight. They fit pretty nice. Right here you have your next track back. Right here looks like it's your power switch. Volume up and down right there. And right here you have your 3.5mm headphone jack and your USB, micro USB connector to charge them. Like I said, they're wireless, but you can also plug them in. So yeah, looks like this is going to be your power right here. So there's your on and off right there. And then there's a little pouch or a little section in the back for your cables. So you have your USB charge cable. It is a braided cable, but it is pretty thin. It feels kind of cheap, but like I said, it is a braided cable, but pretty thin. And then same with the 3.5mm headphone jack adapter or cable. Pretty thin, pretty lightweight, but I think it'll hold up over time. And this does have the mic and the play and pause button on it if you need to use that for making phone calls and stuff like that right there. That is the AKG N60 NC noise cancelling headphones. It came free with the Galaxy Note 9 pre-orders. If you pre-order by the 23rd of August, you can pick these up. Make sure you redeem it. Short time left on that. But those are the AKG N60s. This is Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. And have a great day.